Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafa Tahir and I am back with another video. So in this video guys, we will look into the wrap widget. But before that, let's get to our project structure first. So guys, I have a stateless widget with the class name widget tutorial, and in the scaffolds body I am returning a build view and it's wrapped with center widget, and in the build view itself I am returning a raw which has three containers, and in the specific widget I am returning a padding with a circled container stuff. So guys, in the build view function I'm having the three containers right now, but if I make it to 4 or maybe 5, and if I hot reload now, you can see that I'm getting an error, render flex overflowed by some pixels on the right. And one solution is that I should wrap the fifth one with an expanded and the job will be done. But a more precise and a better solution that I mostly use is that I should replace this raw with a wrap widget, and if I hot reload now, you can see that the fifth container has been shifted to the next line by the raw widget. So this is what wrap widget does. When you don't have the space available on the device, it then adjusts the next widget to the next line. And let me just remove this padding so that we can play better with the wrap widget. If I hot reload now, you can see that there isn't any space available, so I can apply from the wrap itself. And let's say we have a space of 18, and you can see that it has applied between the widgets. And if I want to apply space in between the lines, then I can make use of the property which is a run spacing. Let's apply 10 if I hot reload, and there is another property which is alignment, and I can set the wrap alignment dot space evenly. Let's test it, and this is now looking fine. And there is one more thing guys, I can also apply the axis direction. Let's say axis dot horizontal. Hot reload, and now it is behaving like a raw. And if I replace this with vertical, it will now act as a column widget. So guys, the wrap widget is quite useful widget, and it's a very excellent initiative taken by the Flutter team itself. So this is what you can do with the wrap widget, and there are some other properties which you may check out. So here guys, I will wind up this video, and I hope you have liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and share this video, and do subscribe if you like my content, and check out my other playlist. There are tons of content available of Flutter. This is Mustafa Tahir signing off. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.